In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate Facebook app without uninstalling or deleting. So if you're someone who wants to take a break from Facebook but do not want to delete or uninstall the application from your phone, this is how you can go about it. First thing you want to do is go to settings and then open the settings. This will take you to your phone settings. Once on your Android phone settings, you want to search for apps. Tap on open apps and this is going to list the applications you have installed on your Android device. If you want to see all of them, you can tap on see all and this will load all the apps. On this page, you want to find Facebook. Tap on Facebook and then tap on storage. Now once you're here, you're going to see force to stop. Tap on force to stop and then tap on OK. Now what this is going to do is going to stop Facebook from being active until the next time you open the application again. Any messages or any activities on Facebook won't show up on your notification until you open the Facebook app again. So that's how to temporarily deactivate Facebook without uninstalling or deleting the Facebook app. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.